Equipments for airway management. Laryngeal mask airway. It is placed blindly in oropharynx and the cuff is inflated with a large volume of air 30 to 40 ml for adult size. Inflated cuff seals the lateral and posterior pharyngeal walls and patients can be ventilated through ventilation ports. LMA are available in 7 different sizes, the smallest one for neonates and largest for large adults. Size is 1. Induction is on basis of weight and cuff volume is 1 size is up to 5 kg, air is 4 ml, 1.5 size is 5 to 10 kg and air is 7 ml, 2 number size is 10 to 20 kg and air volume is 10 ml, and size 2.5 to 20 to 30 kg and air volume is 14 ml. 3 size 30 to 50 kg and air volume is 20 ml. Size 4 is 50 to 70 kg and the air volume is 30 ml, and size 5 is 70 to 100 kg and air volume is 40 ml. Indications: difficult intubations where intubation is anticipated, and second is scavenging airway in emergency situations where intubation and mask ventilation becomes impossible. Elective methods for minor to moderate surgeries where anesthetist electively wants to avoid intubations. Advantage: easy to insert, do not require any laryngoscopes and muscles relaxant. Third is does not require any specific positions. Fourth is less sympathetic stimulation as compared to intubation. 5 is complication of intubation can be avoided. 6 is patient's awaking is smooth as compared to intubation. 7 is reusable up to 40 times. Disadvantage and complication is air can be leak into the esophagus. LMA increase the risk of aspirations. Trauma to oral cavity to hypoglycal, hypoglossal and laryngeal nerve if excessive pressure are being used. The pressures of LMA cuffs should be kept in 40 to 60 cm. Sore throat contraindication is the full stomach. Patients hiatus hernia, pregnancy if एस्पिरेशन चांस इज देयर. ओरोफेरेंजियल एब्सेस और मास सेकेंड जनरेशन में आते हैं LMA, इंट्यूबेटिंग LMA, प्रोसील LMA, सुप्रीम LMA, आई जेल्स एंड LMA